Hello guys, and welcome back to the Bolton videos. So yeah, another day. It's a Saturday, mega session this morning. We're here for 3 hours. And I'm also, normally I'd be here for more than 3 hours, but because I'm going to Preston later in the afternoon to film another video. So it's only a 3-hour session this morning, so around 11:30. And then, yeah, Preston I'm going to have 3 hours at in the afternoon. So yeah, you know, 5 platform station at Northern and Transcontinental Express. I've got here early for a Ribblehead train. There's only 3 of them a day, so a nice special catch to start the video off. So yeah, without further ado, leave a like rating, hit the bell button and subscribe if you do enjoy the content. But yeah, just do enjoy the video, that's all you need to do. Enjoy. Okay, we are starting with a bit of madness. The first proper train is 150-108 to Southport, along with another 104. As a Manchester Airport train is always going to come in as well, and the Ribblehead train will come on that side. 150-108 is on the rear. It's 150-134 on the front. Right, so there's cancellations today. I don't want to hear them. I'm quite sick of them. Okay, the first train on platform 3 of the video is the 8:36 normal service to Manchester Airport.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 08:35 Northern service to Ribblehead.
195-111. Okay, next train is the 8:48 northern service to Southport, as Anne can't keep her mouth shut. And if there weren't so many cancellations, then we wouldn't be hearing these delay repair adverts. I mean, announcements. 769431. Yeah, I figured out the setting. And you know what all I had to do? I only had to just turn my GoPro off and put it back on. It was literally as simple as that. Okay, next train to come in is the 8:53 Northern service to Blackpool North. Running pretty slow, that is. (331-108) with a 4-car NHS scheme. 331-109. Okay, double cap here. Off goes 331-109. As in comes the 8:54 to the airport. (331-016). Goes 331-016. And 331-028 on the rear. That's definitely not going to Blackpool North. Don't know why it says that. Okay, here's the 904 Clitheroe service. 150, 102 brings us in. Nice turn on the way in as well. Now I know you guys love the bend around here. A bend with a beat. That's definitely high standards. And I never even asked for that. Did it all itself. Okay, and comes the 909 Northern Service to Windermere. (195 125) on the front. They gave us a 3-car to Blackpool North, but a 6-car to Windermere. Time. It's no the time, or it's no other time. Oh, it's 8:02 time. Come on. I'm on a roll here. (8:02 2:10). I say that every time an overstops here. It was worth it, I still got a beat. Definitely an issue with the guard's door not shutting there. That's all it was. Okay, after it comes the 918 Northern Service to Rochdale. 156 411. No, 441. (150 133) on the rear. As a Manchester Airport train is about to come in.
Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport.
In comes the 921 Northern Service to Manchester Airport. (331 103). does say Manchester Airport, where it's actually going. In comes the 9:25 Northern service to Staley Bridge. One 56428. We're back in the 1950s. Keep the total going. I've lost count. Okay, just come in is 195132. Update you when she departs. Okay, the 9:35 Northern service to Clitheroe. No, Blackburn. 156461. I think all the drivers are in a good mood today. There's a lot of them are beeping. Off goes 195132. And well done, that is going to Manchester Airport, not Blackpool North. As in comes an over. Off to Glasgow Junction. It's just because if I sacrifice the Nova, I know a Nova's good, but I'm going to Preston. I'm going to see plenty of Novas then, so that's the only reason I am not too bothered about Novas. Okay, off goes 397010. One 5114. It's the 948.